The Trucks Are Stuck by Judy Sierra, illustrated by Will Hillenbrand. Once there was a mud puddle, and it was sleepy. It was creepy. It was deeper than you'd think. When something went into the mud puddle didn't want to let go. One afternoon, the pizza man was driving along in his pizza van. Beep, beep. This mud puddle can't be very deep, said the pizza man, and he drove his pizza van into the sleepy, creepy puddle. Slurp. Bad luck, I'm stuck, cried the pizza man. Police car, to the rescue. Don't scream, don't shout. I'll push you out, said the policeman. Glurp. The pizza van was stuck in the mud. The police car was stuck in the mud. Stuck in the gluey, gooey mud. Tow truck to the rescue. It's a cinch. I'll winch you out, said the tow truck driver. Blurp. The pizza van was stuck in the mud. The police car was stuck in the mud. The tow truck was stuck in the mud. Stuck, yuck, in the muckety mud. Backhoe to the rescue. I'll use my rig to dig you out, said the backhoe driver. Flurp. The pizza van was stuck in the mud. The police car was stuck in the mud. The tow truck was stuck in the mud. The backhoe was stuck in the mud. Trapped tight in the mighty mud. Fire engine to the rescue. Quick, get the hose, said the captain. We'll spray this ickety muck away. Plurp. The pizza van was stuck in the mud. The police car was stuck in the mud. The tow truck was stuck in the mud. The backhoe was stuck in the mud. The fire engine was stuck in the mud. All of them caught in the naughty mud. Preschool to the rescue. No reason to fuss. Mud can't stop us, said the children. And they went to work with shovels and sand and rocks and bricks and rubber bands and popsicle sticks. Get ready, get set, go! The fire engine roared out of the mud. The backhoe chugged out of the mud. The tow truck rolled out of the mud. The police car screeched out of the mud. The pizza van bounced out of the mud. Everyone shouted, "Hooray, hooray," for the girls and boys who saved the day. But preschoolers hadn't finished yet. They mixed mud pies and mud cakes and mud muffins and mud cookies and mud pizzas. And that was the end of the sleepy, creepy, deeper than you'd think mud puddle.